Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another video of SQL 50 sheet. So we have solved the sixth problem from the SQL sheet. Here is the playlist. If you haven't checked it before, please do the check and then come back to the another video. So today we are going to solve the second problem from the basic joins. The problem name is product sales analysis 1. So definitely it will be 2. Okay, let's see. So product sales analysis, let's jump into the question. So this is a very pretty simple question of the basic join, and for using a join we need the multiple tables. Okay, so in this case we have the sales table and the product table, and the sales table have the 5 columns, the product table have the 2 columns, and the common is we can see the product ID in this case. Okay, so for this table, sales ID and year is the primary key. Okay, primary key is basically to identify a row in a table. Here is the combination of the primary key means sales ID and year. So is both we can take as a primary key. Okay, and the product ID is a reference column means a foreign key to the product table. And here we can see product ID is the primary key, and we have to write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Okay, let's read again. Write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Okay, we have to see the input first. In input, we can see we have the sales table, we have the product table, and the output is look like this. Here is explanation also given. If you want, you can read it, but don't read it at the first. First, try to analyze the input and output first. Try to link them. Okay. So, in the product name, we are getting the product name from this table. Okay. And we have to show the year and price from the sales table. And the product ID is a referencing column for this table, so we can connect, so we can join them using the product ID. Simple, pretty simple. So for this reason we have to use select first, and then okay, now you can see it. We have to the select, and then we have to select the product name from product table. So we have to use alias here. It is a like standard practice in the organization. We have to use alias for the everything because it is a self-explanatory. Okay, let's use a p dot product name. Then we want year. So year is in the sales table. So s dot year and s dot price. Fine. Yeah. Then we have to use a from table, which is in this case product as p, and then we have to use a join. Okay, so in this case we are not using left join or right join because we want only the combination, means a common things, common rows. So for this reason we are using the join only, means if this entry is present in this table, then only it is fetching to the output. Okay, so join, and the right table is sales table. Sales, yeah, sales as S, and the condition is a product ID. S dot product ID equals to P dot product ID. Okay, so what I written here, we have to select this thing which we saw already in the output. Got it? Then the first table, which is a product in this case, right? And we have given the alias here, and then join. We are using the inner join. Okay, so for this join, you can write the inner join as well. Inner join are the same. And here is the second table. We have given s as the alias, and then this is the condition. Pretty simple. Let's run this. So it is executed successfully. We can see it is as expected. Let's submit. Yeah. Okay. If you have any doubt, please do comment. I will try to give the answer in the comment section, or I will create the another video for it. Do engage, keep learning, keep exploring. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.